we've come in after a couple of really good sessions out here on the trawler, and this is what we're actually seeing. I'm sort of trying to work out, how come you're catching 99% prawns? You're just showing me this is what the net does, and this is called a blubber chute?
Or a bycatch reduction device, and this one's designed to shoot the blubbers out and anything else that comes down the mouth of the net. So the prawns pass through that mesh and go into the back, where all the other stuff comes out the hole.
So any fish bigger than that diameter will actually come straight out of here.
Straight out of there. Lots of different restrictions to your gear, mainly being size of net. This mesh here can't be any smaller than 40 millimetres when it's stretched like that. That leaves little prawns in the water and anything else small in the water.
Yep.
And then once the product reaches the back of the net, we have another grading system called the square mesh cod end. So you'll notice that it's on the square. So it opens up square in the water. So that lets small prawns back into the water.
So any little prawns can get through these ones as well.
And stay in the water.
Now that we know how Gary's sustainable fisheries net works, it's time to put it back into use for the afternoon session of prawn trawling on the beautiful Upper Hawkesbury River. And that means it's time for Chef Jacob Davey and I to step up and take our turn at the controls. But before he hands over, our skipper gives us the final briefing on the job we've got in front of us. And right now, it's Jake's turn to get his hands on the machinery.
And up. Up, right up. Away we go. Good,
Get it up at the top, put the brakes on.
Down for your niggerhead, yep, down, bang, bang. Righto, now pull on that rope. Right down, okay, you got to go out and get the rope. All right, get it up. There we go. Off. Half hitch, half hitch. Go and grab your prawns, pull them into the tray.
Now that is a big prawn.
Don't grab the Fortescue. That's it, pull your rope. Bang, bang on either one, that's it. All right. You're gonna have to go tying it up. When as though Andrew's bloody worsted. Grab that one, pull that one. And grab that one.
I'll have a go, but...
You're like me, you look at it and go, hang on a minute, did he move it that way or do that? Oh. With that sorted, the net goes back into the water to be eased down to the bottom again. That means I've got about 15 minutes to prepare for my maiden attempt. And it's feeling like the fastest quarter hour of my life.
Back up here.
Both going in the right direction. Not a bad haul for my first attempt, even if I do say so myself.